Thank you, Mr. Ambassador.
I didn't yet finish, if you permit. Do I have more time?
Well, you spoke more than our speakers did.
Sorry?
You spoke longer than our speakers did during their introduction.
Because you spoke a lot of Russia. And I want to participate in this discussion.
The floor is open.
You did not discuss Serbia, you discussed Russia.
The theme of the panel is global security challenges.
And you discussed Russia. Does Serbia have any interest in global security or no? It's just a minor country with no global interest. Do you pretend to be a subject of international relations or only an object?
Mr. Ambassador, I think we're proving this conference that we are a small country which has its dignity, that has its independence and history, relations with many countries.
And Russia is one of the rare countries to support your positions, even on the level of global security and on the ground.
We have support, as you know, the European Union, which has contributed millions to getting our electricity back, our water. We have trade with all of these countries. We are an open country which understands that
Can I continue?
You may continue, but please...
Do you agree I continue?
I am the chairman, Mr.
Huh?
No, I think not.
No.
I am not chairing, but you asked me the question.
Please, may I continue? Huh? Thank you.
Mr. Ambassador has made his point very clearly. We have